Okay. The next movement, yes, once you are done, you will start walking and then we look at the next movement. Okay, the next movement is your Russian twist. And how are we going to do it? For this, you need to sit down on your mat, hold the weight in one hand like this. Tilt your upper body at 60 degrees. Don't hunch your back, chest out, back straight and shoulders not strained, shoulders relaxed. Lift your legs up. Balance yourself here and twist from your torso side to side. Yes, that is a Russian twist. And you breathe out every time you turn on one side. Yes, in the first set, let's do 10 on each side. Start. Yes, tilt your upper body at 60 degrees, not too, don't bend down too much also. Yes. Relax your shoulders, yes. Good. Perhaps slightly tilt backward more, slightly. Yes. Good, good. 10 on each side. Breathe out every time you turn. Yes. And once you are done, you will flip and do cobra pose. So after this, you need to just flip around and try to go down in the cobra pose. Relax your spine. And after the cobra, you can even sit down in the child pose if you wish to. Just give your spine a stretch after you are done Russian twist first set. Okay. Get ready for the second set. Not much of rest here. Now this time try doing 12 on each side. Alright, twist from your torso. Just don't turn your arms like that. You need to twist, pause, twist, pause, twist, pause. 12 on each side. Let's do that. Yes. Good. Carry on. Yes. Again, stretch your back before you do the third set. Give your back a stretch. Okay. In the third set, do anywhere between 12 to 15 counts. If you are able to do 12 easily, aim for 15 on each side. But make sure you don't do the movement very fast. So count is not so important. You should be in this pose at least for 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. Alright. Let's start. Third set. 12 to 15 reps on each side. Parag, tilt backward. Take your legs slightly higher. Yes. Radhika, relax your shoulders. You can leave the weight, Radhika, drop the weight. Do it otherwise. Yes, do it otherwise. Yes. Yes, good, good. Make that effort. Okay. Once you are done, you will again stretch your back slightly and watch the next movement. Okay, the next movement is helicopters. And how are we going to do it? Helicopters are nothing but side planks, weighted side planks. So, we hold the body weight on the weights, okay, on the dumbbells. So, you are here. This is your plank position to start with, the high plank. Now from here, turn, take the dumbbell on the side, come back. Turn, take the dumbbell on the other side, come back. Then again, keep repeating it, take it on the side, come back, take it on the side, come back. If you feel you are not able to hold your body weight on the dumbbell. Hold only single dumbbell, drop the other dumbbell. Be on your arms. Okay? And as you turn, lift the dumbbell, take it on the side, come back, lift the dumbbell, take it on the other side and come back. Okay? All this while, you need to swing from side to side. Make sure your feet also move. So watch my feet. I'll show this angle. Watch my feet. As I turn around, my feet also move. Okay? You can even do it without weights. Just do side planks like this. Let your feet also move. Alright? Yes? Let's do that. 8 counts in the first set. 8 on each side. Yes, let's try. Yes. Good, Vikram, good. Try it, yes. With the weights, yes. Yes, very good, Amit. Sumona, keep the weight in the center. Be in your palm planks. Okay, that will be more comfortable because you will be able to turn full. Yes. Yes, good. Turn from your torso, Sumona. Don't turn too much from your arms. Yes. Turn from your torso more. Yes, good, good, good. That's all. Yes. Very good, Dipin. Dipin, make sure you don't take your arm too far away. In line with your shoulders, yes. 8 on each side, and then you can sit in the child pose or relax your spine or walk a bit, even that will relax your spine. Okay, let's do the second set, those of you who are done the first set. Not much of rest here, only 10 to 15 seconds of rest. Yes, let's keep doing that side to side. Very nice, Dipin. Good. Good, Vikram. Good. Excellent. Yes. Yes, Bhavna, are you there? Yes, let's do that. Bhavna, second set, same movement. Again, 8 counts. If you want to reach 10, you can. But 8 counts is reasonably good enough. Sumona, torso down. Your hands are going away from your arms. So you need to keep it under your elbow, under your shoulder. Yes. Yes, yes. Torso down, Sumona. Torso down. Engage your core. Yes. Good. Yes. Twist, twist, twist. Yes. Okay. Before you do the third set, relax yourself. So there is another spine stretch which you can do. So if you are here, fold your legs and twist side to side. That is another spine stretch. Just twist side to side or hug your legs like that. Just squeeze in your legs and hug them. That will also relax your spine. Okay. Let's get ready for the third set. Not much of rest here. Start. Again, 10 counts on each side. Let's try hitting 10 counts now. If you were able to do 10 in the previous, continue with 10. Make sure you engage your abs. Keep your abs tight as you swing. Yes, Bhavna, let's do the third set. Yes, very good, Amit. Yes, carry on. Okay. Once you are done this, you will get up and walk a bit, stretch your back and get ready for the next move. Ideally, get up and start walking. That will be better. Okay. The next movement. Alright, let's look at the next movement is your side punches. Alright, and how are we going to do it? So you are going to hold the dumbbell in both the hands. Keep your dumbbells like this. Okay, like this. Keep your dumbbells like this. Now, from here, take your dumbbell, twist your wrist, punch and come back. Take your dumbbell, twist your wrist, punch back. Okay. So this is a slow motion that I am showing. Just watch it. You are going to twist and back, twist and back. So as you do this, you need to twist from your torso as well. Okay, it is essential that you twist from your torso as well. Now this has to be done slightly faster, and how? Twist and back, twist and back. Yes. Punch harder. Make sure you twist your torso also. Punch harder. Alright, yes. Let's try that. 10 punches on each hand. Let's do that. Hold a lighter weight. Yes. Good. Yes. Very good, Amit. Nice, Dipen. Good. Yes, Bhavna. Bhavna, you have never punched anyone in your life. So think of someone you really hate, or maybe some movie character. If you really don't hate someone as much to punch so hard, you can think of a movie character or some criminal. Okay. Alright. Drop your weights while you are resting. Even if you are holding bottles, drop your weights. Yes. Walk a bit. Walk a bit. Okay. Now the second set I'll be doing it with you. So at my rhythm you will be doing the punches. Okay. We will again do 10 on each side, not more. Alright, let's get ready. Chest out, shoulders rolled back, back straight, knees soft. Let's get ready. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Relax. Okay. Drop your weights, walk a bit. We'll do one more set. Okay. Keep your stomach tight while you are doing this. Okay, that is one way of engaging the core. Keep your stomach tight. Alright, let's do the third set. This time we try hitting 12 punches on each side. Okay, so 2 punches should be done slightly together. Okay, and with full force. Chest out, shoulders rolled back, knees soft, hands forward. Okay, start. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. Okay, relax. Drop your weights, walk a bit. Okay, let's get ready for the next movement. Okay, the next movement is your plank twist. Very simple movement but very effective. We are going to do this for 30 seconds and then rest, then 30 seconds and then rest. Okay, it is going to be a timed movement. Now, to begin with, you are in your elbow planks like this and you twist side to side. Watch my toes. Toes are also going, my feet are going side to side. Alright. As I am twisting my torso, my feet are also going side to side. Okay, yes. Let's do that for 30 seconds in the first set. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Breathe out every time you twist. Yes. So Mona, you need to take your torso down. Hips slightly down. Yes. Yes. Good. Engage your abs. Bikram, torso high. Your knees are dropping. Yes. Much better. Don't let your shoulders move. Relax. Okay. So while we are twisting, make sure only your lower body moves. Your shoulders should not turn. Alright. So this happens when our core is weak. Okay. And or we are doing the movement for first 10-15 seconds, it's fine, and then our shoulders start twisting. So try to engage your core. If you get tired, you can twist slightly less. Try to stay in the plank. Okay. Alright. Let's do the second set again, 30 seconds. Get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, good. Neck stable, neck should be straight. Yes, Vikram, much better. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Radhika. Carry on. Amit, look straight. Yes. Good, Parag. Good. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Slightly stretch your spine, be in the cobra or be in the child pose. You need to relax your spine before we do the next set. Okay, let's get ready. Third set. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, very good, Dipen. Very nice. Excellent. Yes, good, Amit. Good. Carry on. Good, Bhavna. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Carry on. Keep doing that. 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Relax your spine. Be in the cobra, be in the child pose, then start walking a bit. After that, we come to the next part. Okay. So now we come to push-ups. We will not be doing various types of push-ups here. We will be doing, a plank pose and then a push-up pose, so something like that. So the movements that I have kept is floor push-ups, which are very beneficial for correcting your push-ups. Okay, and the second is the push-ups itself. The third movement is mountain climbers. Again, we are going to do plank mountain climbers. Then we have plank hold. Okay. So let's get ready for floor push-ups. Even if you are able to do full push-ups, floor push-ups is an excellent exercise. And let's see how are we going to do it. So, to begin with, you are in your push-up stance like this. Okay, so push-up stance is same as plank, just that your hands are slightly wider. So here is your plank, here is your push-up. Here is your wide push-up. Okay, so this. Alright, so be in your push-up stance. Now from here, go down as deep and then lie down on the floor. Extend your arms, come up in one go. Okay, so try that you go down and you come up in one go. Don't do this, alright. Avoid doing this, okay? But if you have to, if you're not able to go down in one go, that's absolutely fine. But your aim should be to go down and up in one go. Let's do 10 counts in the first set. Start. Be in the push-up pose, then go down, touch your floor. Yes. Extend your arms, come up in one go. Yes, good. Depends slightly, pull up your torso also when you come up. Yes, there you go. Good. Bhavna, we are doing floor touches, not push-ups. Do a complete floor touch. See, you are here. You go down like this, extend your arms, come back up. Okay? Yes, that's fine, Bhavna, good. 10 counts in the first set. Yes. Once you are done this, again give your back a stretch. You might not feel it, you might feel it just in your arms, but your back is equally engaged, your core is equally engaged. Give your back a slight stretch or relax it in the child pose. Okay, let's do second set, 10 counts again. This time try doing it slightly faster and try that your full body comes up and down. Okay, you should keep trying it. Even if it is not happening, that's fine. Let's start second set, 10 counts. Yes. Yes, good Parag, good. Very good. Yes, very nice Dipen. Yes. Good Simona, good, excellent. Yes, good efforts. Good. Very good Radhika. Carry on, yes. Good Vikram, good. Dipen, take your torso higher when you go up. Yes. Excellent. Good efforts, yes. Once you are done, you slightly relax yourself. You can even get up and take a walk before you do the third set. Get up and take a walk. Good Bhavna, yes. Relax, take a walk. Yes. Let's do the third set now. Get ready. Start. Whenever you are ready, you can start on your own. Again 10 counts. No need to increase the number of counts here. Your only focus should be first that your movement should be in one go. Secondly, you can do the movement slightly faster. So 2 focuses here. Doing the full range of motion and doing the movement slightly faster. No need to increase the number of counts. 10 counts, third set. Yes. Yes, good Dipen, good. Yes, good efforts. Carry on. Yes. Once you are done 10, you will get up, take a walk, stretch your back. Yes. Very good Bhavna. Carry on. Excellent Bhavna. Good efforts. Yes. Good. Okay. Alright. Now comes the elephant of all the movements, push-ups. So in the first set, we are going to do push-ups for 20 seconds. Okay. And I want you to do as fast as possible. So watch it. Either you can do a full push-up. Alright, be in the push-up stance. Do a full push-up faster. Alright, down and up faster. Or be in the knee push-up and do the push-up faster. So for example, you start with a full push-up but you get tired, let's say after a few seconds. Switch to knee but carry on doing it for 20 seconds and do it slightly faster. Okay, yes. So for example, if you are doing knee push-ups but you can't go beyond this point, that's okay. Just keep doing this. Alright, try going down as much as possible but don't pause too much. Keep doing this. Okay, let's get started at the count of 3. Yes, Bhavna, get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. 20 seconds, max out push-ups, faster. Simona, do it on your knees. Good. Yes, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Very nice, Bhavna. Get up, take a walk. Yes. Okay. Now, in the second set, we are going to not bother about the counts and the time. We will do 10 push-ups. And if you get tired after doing 5, take a breather, finish your count 10. Okay, I'm not noting down the time. So don't be in a hurry to finish off your push-ups. Make sure you go down as deep as possible and finish your 10 counts. Okay, start on your own whenever you're ready. On your own, 10 push-ups. Make sure you go as deep as possible and finish your 10 counts. Yes, good Dipen, that's good enough. Yes, good. Good Bhavna, good. Excellent Parag. Yes, 10 of these and then you can relax. Vikram, you will do a full push-up for the at least first 5, okay? This set is fine, but in the next set, yes, good. That's fine. Even if you're not able to go down too much, that's fine. Okay. So, Sumona, do you realize the difference? I asked you to be on your knees and I'm asking Vikram to do a full push-up. So, what is the difference here? I want you to understand that your chest and arms muscles are not as strong. Your core is stronger. I'm comparing you to you. Okay. So that is the reason I want you to work more on your chest muscles and your arms. So I'm saying कि knees पे कर लो so that you are able to go down further. You expand your chest muscles and you give it that low. And then slowly we'll get down to the full push-up. You can do full push-ups, that's not an issue. But what is stopping you is your arms and chest, which is very natural in girls. Okay. With Vikram, his chest muscles are strong. One advantage is that obviously men have stronger chest and arms muscles. He needs to work more on his core. That is why I asked him to do a full push-up even if he was doing half. Okay, so I'm just explaining. You should understand the difference why I asked some people to do certain things in some way. Okay, third set. Again, 10 counts. We are not increasing the counts of push-ups. Dipen, Vikram, you will do full push-ups. Amit, you will also do full. I think you are doing already. Yes. And Parag, you also do full push-ups. Yes. Very good, Sumona. Very nice. Go deeper. Deeper. Bhavna, start. Amit, keep looking straight and go deeper. Deeper, deeper. Yes, yes. That's fine. That's fine. Take a breather in between if you wish. Yes. Very good, Radhika. Good. Bhavna, look straight. Yes, good, good. Very good, Vikram. Good. Okay. Once you are done, you will start walking. All right. Okay. The next movement is a mountain climber. So this is going to involve some part of cardio as well. So it's a cardio strength movement. We will be doing mountain climbers in the plank pose and not the mountain pose. Okay. And in the first set, we do 20 on each, then 30 on each, and then 50 on each. Okay. Yes. So mountain climbers is going to be too much today. All right. So just watch it. You are here in your plank pose, not in the push-up pose, in your plank pose, arms here, right? Right beneath your shoulders. Now, from here, bring your legs forward like this as fast as you can. Stay in the plank. Don't be here. Don't do this. You need to stay in the plank and do this movement. Alright, yes? Let's get ready. First set, 20 counts on each leg. Get ready. Start on your own. 20 counts. Yes, very good, Amit. Excellent, Bhavna. Well done. Good, Dipen. Good. Yes, good, Parag. Yes. Yes, relax. Once you are done, relax. So what is happening is, first initial counts are fine. After that, your torso starts getting up. Make sure that you stay in the plank. Keep trying it. Okay? Alright. Take a breather. Walk around. We'll wait for a few more seconds before we start the second set. Now in the second set, it is 30 on each leg. Okay? Making a total of 60. Alright. Get ready. Lie down everyone. Be in the plank. And start on your own. 30 counts on each leg. Yes. Keep breathing. Breathe heavy. Simona, torso down. Be in the plank. Don't be in the elbow plank. Simona, are you in the elbow plank? Yes. Be in the palm planks. Yes. Much better. Very good. There you go. Yes. Very good. Very good. Carry on. You will feel too much in your quadriceps here. Engage your core. Engage your core. Tuck in your stomach. Yes. Keep your core tight. Bhavna, torso down. First few counts were okay, Bhavna. You are doing good. I think the last few, your torso went slight up. Okay. Once you are done, take a breather, walk around before you do the last set. We'll take a slightly longer breather here. Okay, let's get ready. 50 on each side. So for example, if you get tired at 30, pause and resume. Okay, but you need to finish 50 mountain climbers on each side. Alright. Start whenever you are ready. Don't rest too much.
How many counts? I'm sorry, I missed it.
50. Bhavna, 100 total. 50 on each leg.
Really?
Yes. You will do it. Yes. Good, good, good. Excellent. Very nice, Dipen. Carry on. Keep breathing. Excellent. Good, Amit. Very good, Sumona. Good, Radhika. Good. Carry on. Carry on. Yes. Very good, Bhavna. Excellent. Good, good, good. If you're done, 100 total, 50 on each. You can get up and start walking. Yes, good, good. Yes, yes. Take your time, take your time. We have a lot of time. Finish 100 counts. Yes, Radhika done? Good. Bhavna done? Karo. You can do it, Bhavna. Come on, it is nothing. You just did 60. It's just 40 more. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on, carry on. Okay. Relax yourself, everyone. We have one last movement. Plank hold. That is all. Keep walking. You can have water if you wish to. And while you're walking, while you're relaxing, make sure your chest is always out, your back is always straight. No matter how tired you are, don't hunch. So make it a conscious effort that throughout the day you should keep telling yourself, chest out, back straight. You should keep telling yourself. Even if you are on your mobile, you keep looking down, just tell yourself that you are going to look at mobile like that. Small things. Okay, let's get ready for the last movement, which is plank hold. We are going to do 2 sets of 1 minute plank hold. That is all. Okay, let's get ready, and the plank hold will be your elbow plank hold. Okay, at the count of Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Timer has started. 1 minute. Elbow plank hold. Yes, very good, Sumona. Good, Dipen. Good. Excellent. Parag, slightly torso down. Keep looking straight. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on. Carry on. Yes, keep breathing. Keep breathing. Engage your abs. Radhika, look straight. Torso down. Yes, carry on. Carry on. Yes. Come up, come up. Bhavna, come up. 15 more seconds, that is all. Keep breathing. Hold your core tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Be in the child pose, everyone. Relax your spine. Be in the child pose. Relax your spine. Okay. Let's do one last set. We'll be doing it in 20 seconds. One last set. Okay. Get ready. Be on your mat. 10 seconds to go. Okay. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 1 minute plank hold started. Yes. Bhavna, slightly torso down. Bhavna, you're doing very good. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Even if you take a break like 15, 15, 15, I'm fine with that. But just keep doing it. Yes, very good, very good. Carry on, everyone. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Half a minute up, half more to go. Yes, very good, Amit. Carry on, carry on. Last 20 seconds. Sumona, torso down. Keep breathing. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Bhavna up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Get up, walk. Everyone, get up quickly. Start walking. Your back will be fine. We'll be doing stretching. It will be fine. Keep walking. Okay. Let's lie down and do our stretching. Okay, lie down on your mat against your back. Like this, yes. Now from here, fold one leg, squeeze it, bring it as close to your chest as possible. Now lift your upper body and try to touch your nose to your knees. Okay, change. Lift the other leg up, squeeze it, bring it as close to your chest as possible. Lift your upper body and touch your nose to your knees. Okay, relax. Now lift both the legs up, squeeze them, hug them, bring them as close to your chest as possible. Lift your upper body and try to bring your nose between your knees. Okay, now from here start rock and rolling up and down. So roll up, roll down, roll up. Go slow, don't jerk yourself. Just go up, go down. Yes, relax. Okay, now lift straight leg up, straight leg up. Lift your upper body, try to hold this leg and bring it as close to your body as possible. You need to keep your knees straight. Even if you are able to hold just the thigh, that's fine. But keep your knees straight. One leg only, one leg. Okay, change. Pull the other leg up. Straight leg, yes. Try to lift it as close to your body as possible. Okay, relax. Now flip around. Be in the supine position. Alright, now from here, fold both the legs. Press your heels against your butts. Fold both the legs from back. Press your heels against your butts. Alright, now from here, lift your legs up in a bow pose. So you need to lift up from the thighs as well. Your upper body is also lifted up. Lift up in the bow pose. We stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Relax. Now from here, take your hands in front of you. Take your hands in front, and from here lift yourself up in a semi-cobra pose. So that's a semi-cobra pose. Lift yourself up. Okay, again go down. One more time, lift yourself up. Okay, now from here, sit back in the child pose. Sit back in the child pose. Okay, and sit on your heels. Sit on your heels. Alright, now take one hand across one knee. Lift the other arm up and bend on the side as much as possible. Come back. Take the other arm. Lift your arms up and bend on the side as much as possible. Okay, come back. Now stretch your neck. Pull it on one side. Okay, stretch your neck. Pull it on the other side. Okay, now take your hand, press your chin down like this. Okay, now place your hands on your chin, pull your neck up. Okay, now fold your arms, pull from the elbow, look towards the opposite side. Change, fold your arms, pull from the elbow, look towards the opposite side. Okay, now take your hands back and keep pulling your arms up. Pull your arms up, keep your upper body stable. Okay, now lift yourself up and start walking on your toes. Lift yourself up, hands up, and start walking on your toes. Okay, slightly give your back a back tilt, slightly tilt backwards, tilt back, and then tilt side, other side. Okay, relax yourself. Jog on the spot, and we are good to go. So today's focus was core and abs. Next week again we will be focusing on slightly more intense in terms of cardio, but we will be combining it with strength and conditioning as well. Okay, I'll see you all on Monday now. Bye-bye.